There we go, everybody. Nice and clean. This is to look it over. Springs, push rods, feel all nice and good. Has a little give, tight, little give, tight. Everything feels good. I'm gonna pull this off. Oh, we got a bolt in the back. Right here.
Tomorrow on Ready in the Morning, we're all about the animals you love. At around 8:20, we'll talk with Bruce from the Anna Shelter, who will introduce you to what could be your new best four-legged
There.
At 8:40, I'll let you know how you could have some artwork.
Here, kind of hold that without touching the buttons on the side. It's just like you are. See if I can. I got one more right here. Now I can pull this. Make sure there's no dirt and debris anywhere. This looks really good. I've already checked all your push rods, the springs. Everything feels like it's nice and taut. You get a little movement on every third one, which is normal.
Yeah.
Let me set this nicely. Looks really good, except for they should have poured oil in here. We need to pour some oil in here. We need.
Yep.
Yeah.
That way
I would
no
highly
dry
recommend. That way there's no dry start. And plus, look, they didn't have any silicone in our corners. Very, very highly needed. Just so anybody watching this, they need to know what I'm telling you. And then we can put this back together. Thanks for your interest. This is a 430 cubic inch Buick. 1969 Wildcat. Good thing we pulled this open. This way we don't do a dry sump, dry start. We'll glaze everything. And just make sure we got our TV in the corners.
Plus, before we put the distributor in,
Yeah.
we can pump it. The oil pump.
Yep.
Make everything work.
Absolutely. Yeah. Just turn it over. Roll it. Yep.
You just put a rod down there and activate the oil pump.
So there's your push rods and your lifters. This is a brand new rebuilt 430 Wildcat. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks.
Carburetor bolts.
This is your intake valley. Okay.
Did you have all 4 carburetor bolts?
I do.
Or 3?
Nope, I got all 4.
Okay, then you just need these.
Here's what we got. We're gonna make sure that we do not have a dry sump. We're gonna take that valley pan back out. We're gonna set it up. We're gonna get the intake set up. We got the drive shaft hooked up. We got the cross member. We got the transmission reattached. Everything's all taken care of. Getting ready to hook up the starter. Yeah. 69 Wildcat. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks. God bless. Yeah, look at this. This is a time capsule for real.
Redefining what it means to be doing women's work. Makes sense of this wild, chaotic, and beautiful